welcome back again to Ask Dr. McCord, our continuing series of answering questions about health, about chiropractic care, and how we can help you age healthier in your later years. And we left this up here. I'd done a question on spinal decay, but I want to talk about why chiropractic care is usually administered in a series of appointments. We call them a protocol or a program of care. And I want to joke with you a minute here. You maybe have heard the joke about how many chiropractors it takes to screw in a light bulb. I don't know, maybe if you haven't heard that, but it's actually only one. It just takes 16 visits. And everybody typically laughs about that because most chiropractic protocols or plans includes a series of appointments over a period of time. And there's a reason for that, because generally people have had these conditions called subluxations, which are dysfunctional segments in their spine that come about from physical impacts and stresses for a period of time before pain ever ends up showing up. And because they've been there for a long period of time, it takes time to actually allow the body to change. The soft tissue that surrounds the spine, which is the things like ligaments and tendons, disc, fascia that attaches bone to muscle, all that tissue has been out of balance for months, weeks, years, decades of time, and it takes time for that to actually heal and recover. So we give a series of appointments over a period of time. Somebody that's near normal, that keeps their spine healthy, is going to have very little of that needed. Somebody in the later stages is going to take more time. And sometimes it's going to take years of time to help a person recover from the effects of spinal decay and subluxation. So I hope that answers your questions about, and one of the great analogies I will give you is, if you go to a medical doctor for an infection and they give you antibiotics, they always tell you to take the course of it. If it's a 7-day course, you need to follow through with the full 7 days. Even if you start feeling better by day 2, if you don't follow through, chances would be great that the infection would come back. And so just like that analogy, you want to continue with chiropractic care to finish the course of care to get the maximum value and benefit from the plan that the doctor's recommending for you. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss other episodes coming up where we can help answer those questions you might have. Thanks for joining us.